Do you know an amazing woman who deserves to be nominated for an Elsie Award, but you aren't quite sure how to write an amazing nomination? Stay tuned for tips and tricks of a successful Elsie Award nomination. But first, what is the Elsie Award anyways? The Elsie McGill Northern Lights Award, or the ELSI, is an annual award that honors outstanding women in aviation and aerospace in Canada. It was established by the Northern Lights Aero Foundation in 2009. The award is named after Elsie McGill, who is acknowledged to have been the first female aeronautical engineer in the world. McGill also served on Canada's Royal Commission for the Status of Women. The Elsie Awards recognize Canadian women in aviation and aerospace in 7 different categories: flight operations, business, government, education, pioneer, engineering, and rising star. Okay, so you know who you're going to nominate for an Elsie Award and in what category. What do you need to do to make this nomination a successful one? Here are some tips and tricks. Number 1, make sure your nominee meets the specific criteria. Some of these are easy. We're looking for Canadian women, so make sure that your nominee is a Canadian citizen. And we're looking for individuals, not organizations. Also, if you're nominating a rising star, remember that she needs to be between 16 and 30 years old. The other criteria are as follows. We are looking for women who exhibit determination and perseverance, enthusiasm, leadership, personal accomplishments in aviation or aerospace, the ability to inspire others, a contribution over an extended period of time. The exception for this last one is for the Rising Star Award. In addition, you will need to include details of the candidate's involvement with associations inside and outside of aviation. Number 2, make sure you provide detail for each of these criteria. Don't skip any, and follow the instructions on the nomination form. It says 100 words maximum per criteria. We're not looking for a novel. Number 3, do not submit photos or a CV. This goes hand in hand with number 2. Just follow the instructions. Number 4, do not submit multiple identical nominations for the same candidate. This does not increase your nominee's chances of being selected, and it just creates more paperwork for our judges to sift through. Number 5, make sure the nominator and seconder information is up to date and complete. If we need clarification on anything, we'll need to be able to reach out to you. And finally, number 6, this is probably the most important. Nominations opened on January 1st and are due on March 31st. That's 3 months, so please do not wait until the last minute to submit your nomination. It will be much better if you plan ahead and take your time to make it awesome. Okay, so you have an amazing Canadian woman in aviation or aerospace who you know deserves to be nominated for an Elsie Award. You've picked which category you're going to nominate her in. You've reviewed all the criteria, and now you have the inside scoop on tips and tricks of a successful nomination. Now what? We've made it really easy for you. Just head over to northernlightsaerofoundation.com/nominations. You can fill in the nomination form online or download a PDF version to send us by email or mail. Remember, nominations are due March 31st. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit northernlightsaerofoundation.com for more great content.